Today what we're going to do is we're going to cook some eggplant. This is a female eggplant. And we're going to cook asparagus in the New Wave Pro infrared microwave oven. Okay. First we're going to do is we're going to slice this up. And then we're going to do is we're going to take this asparagus and we're going to coat it in yogurt. Come and see how I do this. This should be an unusual, different type of meal.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
Okay, so first cut your slices, and you want to keep them about the same size. I'm cutting on a cutting mat. I found out that for one dinner, a complete medium-sized eggplant was more than enough. Once I breaded it, took enough space. Now, what happens is you see these seeds, as the plant starts maturing, you start having more and more of these seeds. And Chef Jana, who is a Brazilian vegan chef, stated that the females have a lot more seeds than the male. If you decide that you don't like these seeds, what you can do is get a male, and you can tell because the end of the eggplant will be a perfect circle. If it's not a perfect circle, it's a female. Prepare our mixing process. So I'm not gonna lay them in here. This is a yogurt and almond mix. Taste it, smells delicious. I just made this the other day, and we're just gonna mix it up like this. And what we're going to do is get another bowl and put our bread. And just for fun, I thought what we'd do is we'll try a couple different things. This over here is a charred mixture that I made for another dish, and it has a very green taste. Oh, it's wonderful. It's mixed with hummus. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one of them where we're going to apply some of the yogurt sauce on it on both sides. We're going to I just made some diabetic breadcrumbs. Okay, then we're going to coat both sides and lay it in the pan. The smaller pieces, like these thicker weird pieces, then I'm going to put the green sauce in here, both sides, and I'm going to put the breadcrumbs on both sides on those two. We're going to cinch them towards the back. So that what we're going to be doing is they're going to be laying like this, like a scalloped potato. And this is going to take a little bit of time, so I'm going to be quiet, and then you'll be able to see me as I run through this. That's TJ saying it's time to go outside. Now that he's eaten his delicious dog food with a little bit of cat food and some dog, he wants to be able to go outside, check out the local Afghans, or check out all his buddies on the walk. See if I can get this done, put it on the New Wave oven while it's cooking, and take care of him. That's ready so far. The only difference we're going to do is we're going to have a small little twist. We're going to open up the asparagus. Alright, so this is the charred hummus meal. So what you do, you take your asparagus and you just turn it around like this. Now this is a little challenging because what you're going to try to do next is bread it. And you take your plate and you stick it inside your breading over here like this. And this is the challenging part of trying not to break the asparagus. And after that, you're going to take this and you're going to lay it over the top of your eggplant. Now what this is going to happen, it's going to go into this infrared oven. So here you are, you're going to put the meal in here, and you're going to use a cover. Okay, so now it's set. You're going to cover the dome back up. And you want your handles to be wherever your cover is going to be. Yeah. So you're going to have plenty of room. Okay, so you know it's ready when the oven says 0. That means it's plugged in. And then to start it, now normally eggplant takes 45 minutes to cook in the oven. I can do this in 40 minutes. I've learned now how to do this. So then you press start and then you put power level. You want to see, so that means power level high, which says 350 degrees in the oven. You're going to cook it, time cook, and you're just going to put 45. That's all you need to do. You press start again. And instantly the fan starts, it's starting, and we'll see in a little bit. I'm going to walk the dog, and when I come back. Now I set the timer for 40 minutes. That would give me an extra 5 minutes to be able to be around the kitchen and to watch the food, just in case it cooks faster than 45 minutes. Alright, so we'll see in a little bit. Okay, so here's another twist. We're going to pause it. It's been running for half an hour. We're going to turn this on its side using this fancy holder. Now you have to use a oven mitt because remember, it's a oven. Okay, looks like it's pretty well in good shape. It smells really good. We're going to put in on top of it some Classico tomato and basil, or your favorite tomato sauce. Okay, and then we're going to put it back, all back together again. Then we go back to the start button. We press start, and if you take a look at the clock, we have 15 more minutes. That should just meld in with the food. It'll be all ready to eat in 15 minutes. Okay, so you know it's finished. It beeps, and it gives you the indicator end. So what you do next is you pick up the lid very carefully, and you can see that everything is pretty well cooked. Now what we're going to do is we're going to transfer it to a plate. Okay, so I'm using a spatula, a metal spatula, and I'm just going to pick it up from the bottom. And I'm going to take some of these asparagus, lay on the side here. Alright. That. Maybe get one here with a little bit of a sauce, stuff like that. And get this green one with the green sauce, with the immersed chard. Okay, so that's my dinner tonight. Alright, so we're going to cut it up and taste it. Okay, so we're going to cut up this, and it's perfect. What we don't know is whether this charred hummus sauce is going to taste any good cooking it in eggplant. And it's got a very unique taste to it. You can taste the chard, you can taste the hummus in the eggplant. Over here, this is the asparagus that was dipped, and they're very nice and soft. This is the asparagus that was breaded in the yogurt sauce. And they are also soft and delicious. So it's a little bit messy to eat, but I think it's going to be a very nice meal. I'll be storing this in a plastic container, and I will be eating it in the next couple days. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.